Kathmandu by Nepal MP Sarita Giri. Sarita Giri was in the news this week because she lost her membership of parliament because she went against her party's line to support the changes, proposed so-called changes to the Nepal map. Sarita Giri, thank you for joining me. Saurabh Shukla and Smita Prakash are there with us. What is going on in Nepal? I mean, has China completely taken over? Because the Chinese ambassador, Hu Yanqi, has been sharing with people, and it's being now widely reported, that she has instructed the government officials in Nepal not to allow Indian private news channels to broadcast in Nepal. Is the Chinese takeover now complete, therefore?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes.
Yes. So thank you for your question. I think we still have not reached the stage that we said that we conclude that the Chinese, control is complete in Nepali media or media sector. But yes, there are alarming signs, that something is happening to control the media also, because today, although there were some problems reportedly about the Prime Minister and the Chinese ambassador, there was some news in some Indian channels. And after that, in today's press conference, the government, this press reporter, he has informed the people that we have some problems, we have some grievances that are concerns, and we are finding ways to, correct it. And but in fact, no particular decision, no specific decision has been taken by the government in our knowledge so far. But yes, after that, the cable operators, yes, they have decided to, put a ban.
No, but the complaint.
That's what we are.
The complaint against Indian news channels was by the Chinese ambassador Hu Yanqi. Now, who is this Hu Yanqi? And how does she decide the media policy of a sovereign country? Saurabh, who is this Hu Yanqi? And she seems to be the most important person in Nepal today. What is her background? What does she do? And I've never heard of an ambassador wielding this club.
She's a...
Yes, she is the Chinese ambassador.
I'll tell you,
let's hear from Sarita. Sarita, who is she?
The Nepalese...
How does she have so much clout over Oli?
You go on, Go.
Yeah. Oh, so because the government is allowing her, it's very simple. If the government is allowing her, welcoming her in the corridors of if the parties are welcoming her, so it is not only because she wants it. It's a kind of mutual, interaction and communication. That's how we perceive it here. And she is the ambassador.
No, but it is...
Obviously,
Now, Sarita ji, I hope that my program goes out to my brothers and sisters in Nepal. And because I'm told that this channel will be taken off air at midnight. And I appeal to you, I am appealing today to the people of Nepal that please, you are a great country, you are a great civilization, you are a great culture, you've had a robust and diverse political history. The people of India have stood with you at every point of time. But today, if one person called Hu Yanqi is more powerful than your president, and if she has decided, let me tell you, people of Nepal, please stand up and protest against this person who is holding your self-respect to ransom. I also want to tell you, people of Nepal, factual news coverage about a ruling NCP meeting to decide the future of Nepal's Prime Minister was postponed. And do you know why, people of Nepal? Because Hu Yanqi, this mysterious woman who is the Chinese ambassador, went and met the senior NCP leader and former Prime Minister Madhav Kumar Nepal. Now, how can an ambassador Saurabh, how can an ambassador of a foreign country interfere in the domestic politics of a sovereign country?
Arnab,